It's not something we often think of as we take photos of loved ones and beautiful places that we share on social media with family and friends. It's not top of mind when we need care, or when we stream a movie, or take a class online. We don't think about it as we work remotely or on the job, where we use it every day, in the lab, at the store, in the field, the warehouse, at the stock exchange, or even the far reaches of the northern seas. All day long in our work and daily lives, we're producing data, and that data lives in data centers. Today, human progress is powered by data centers, but not just any data center. Iron Mountain Data Centers. We power innovation.